How's it going, everybody? It's a beautiful windy day here in Colorado. This is Mike at Das Trucks here with another walk around video. Now, if you'd like to stay updated on our current and active inventory, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you like what you're seeing, drop us a like. Today's truck is a 2016 Ford E-350 Super Duty. This truck is ready to work. It's been fully inspected and serviced. It's got 129,438 miles. This is a 176-inch wheelbase, dual rear wheel. And we'll start off with the wheels here, which have been repainted. The tires, which have plenty of life left on them. Take a look at this 16-foot box, which has been repainted. Coming around here, taking a look at the driver's side rear wheels. Plenty of life. Okay. Let's check out that box. Okay, this truck does come with a ramp. Here's that box for you. It's got that dome light if you're operating in the night, translucent roof. Okay, let's check out the passenger side. Coming down to the wheels and tires. Front wheels and tires. Now this bumper right here, this front bumper has been repainted. Let's check out the interior. Interior is in great condition. This truck has been detailed inside and out, including under the hood. Here are those seats for you. Look at the dash. Let's climb on in. And here's the third seat over here. Just comes right down. Let's start her up. Take a look at these miles over here as well. $129,439. Let's check out the engine. All right, here's your Triton 5.4 liter flex fuel V8. This truck does have a 6-speed automatic shiftable transmission. Now, all the filters and fluids have been changed. As I said, this truck is ready to roll. All right, and now we'll wrap it up for your 2016 Ford E-350 Super Duty. Now, if you'd like to find out more information about this truck, the link to our website will be in the description below, as well as our phone number where you can contact us. As always, thank you all for watching, and have a good one.